Hey guys, so Vinyl Nerd did a video where he kind of walks through his neighborhood and just listens to what birds he can hear, so I'm gonna do the same thing. There's my house. I'm gonna go up this way first. I hear song sparrows in it. I heard a song sparrow and now I hear house finches in the distance. There's one over that way. Trying not to show too much of other people's property because you know how people can be. If they saw that I uploaded their property to YouTube, they might be like, take this down. Stop. There's not many birds up this way, honestly. Kind of surprised. There's a song sparrow. I heard a really faint towhee just now. I doubt the camera even got it. I have really good hearing. Like, my grandma comments, I have hearing like a dog. There's a song sparrow. There was a towhee. It sounds like it's over that way somewhere. Someone's got bird feeders out. Yeah, right there in those trees too are some bird feeders. Again, not trying to show too much of other people's houses, just... Oh, I see the song sparrow. It's up there. I'm not gonna walk through my whole neighborhood today, just because of storage and I don't really have a lot of time, so you know how that is. But tonight, I think I'm gonna make a video where I walk through my neighborhood listening for crickets instead of birds, so stay tuned for that. And yes, I will do one later this year too, when all the other kinds of crickets and katydids are out. This neighborhood's so pretty, honestly. If it wasn't for all the interstate traffic, it would sound even better. Or, you know what I mean, you'd be able to hear even more nature sounds. There's my house. You can see the bells of paradise. I think I'm just gonna walk up that way and then back down, and then I'll end the video. There goes a bird flying. Oh, it's a robin. I thought it was a starling or something, a European starling for a second, but no, it's a robin. There's one up there. I think I might hear a faint mockingbird up that way. And there's a crow. Not sure if you can hear it, but it's a faint mockingbird, mimicking everything. Alright, I'm just gonna go. Another song sparrow up this way. Oh, there's doves. And they flew, of course. Because why would they stay for the camera, right? Everything has to go wrong when I start recording. There's that crow again. Down through there, behind that house is a pool, and that's where I normally heard the eastern gray tree frogs from. They were never at my pond, but they were up here. And unfortunately, alright, I'm gonna tell you all the story. It actually kind of sucks. So, hang on a minute. Down through there is where I would like sit and listen to them. And I had permission from the owner. I got permission from the owner last year to listen to it. But then I swear to you when I tell you this, literally the same year I got permission from them, they end up moving. So now I don't know who lives there now. I don't know a thing about them. So I don't know if I can go over there or not now. And they don't really seem as friendly as the old people did. I mean, yeah, they hardly even wave at you even. So I don't know if I'm even gonna bother with them. There's not many birds down this way, is there? Oh yeah, there's not a lot of trees, and I hear a lawnmower. There's some wind chimes at that house. Just small ones, but you know. Well, that one's kind of big, but the other two are smaller. Oh, is that a Woodstock chime? Not sure what that is. I'm not gonna, again, not trying to record other people's stuff too much. I hear a robin in the distance. Or I just did, I should say. I don't hear it anymore. There's that song sparrow. There's the robin. Oh, there's the crow on top of that house. There's a robin over here and a song sparrow over that way. Oh, there's dogs inside that house. Of course. I just heard them yell at their dog. It's kind of funny. Yeah, there's definitely more birds down this way, I feel like. I still hear the mockingbird up that way. Well, I don't know if you can hear it or not. Look at that. That's actually real pretty with the flag up there. Oh my, the bells of paradise, look. It went nuts. It literally went nuts for a second. There's my house, obviously. I'm home now. Let's see what I hear around my house. There's that crow up that way again. Yeah, I don't hear anything around here right now. I did see my hummingbird earlier today. Well, I think I'm gonna end it here. Bye.